The biggest impediment to a business's future success is often its past success. You can give any amount of business advice from the most trusted sources, but human nature tends to default to a "why fix what ain't broke" kind of thinking. And who can blame them? Some businesses go through amazing growth spurts. Their product is awesome and people are queuing to buy. Now, I'm not suggesting that people in these businesses are not working hard. They definitely are. They've worked hard to develop this amazing product. They would certainly have had early stress in getting in the first customers before everything took off. And they work very hard to keep up with huge demand, deliver the product, and keep customers happy. But in these lucrative times, they may not have to generate serious leads, not have to cold call, not have to have a sales process or pipeline tracking, and never really spend sleepless nights wondering where the next cash will come from. And yet the money is rolling in. So what is the problem? Well, quite simply, any kind of growth needs to be purposefully structured and managed. Not everything will go well all the time. In every business, both in times of famine and in times of feast, we need to have structures, processes, and metrics in place in the business for a few reasons. Firstly, we can anticipate trends up, down, flat, ahead of time and act accordingly. The more we can anticipate seasonal fluctuations, market sentiment, external factors, and supply chain dynamics, the better positioned we are to continue towards those strong results. Secondly, we can ensure that all parts of the business are resourced and aligned. Sales, operations, delivery. High demand for our product can lead to all kinds of chaos and disaster if the different functional areas of the business are not aligned to work in harmony. Thirdly, we need to be able to design how we operate some parts of the business better so that not everything requires the same attention of our internal resources to work well. What can we prepare to standardize that we can either outsource or automate and keep our attention for where we add the most value? And lastly, we can be sure of which parts of the business or product work better for us so we can build on the strengths, address the weaker areas, or simply just kill that part of the business. It's a wonderful feeling when the cash is just rolling in. Enjoy it. And amidst that giddy excitement, be sure to build a sound business and not just a house of cards.